Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate payment processing with Square. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select Invoices from the menu. Click on Create Invoice. Fill in the required customer information. Add the items or services you're charging for. Set the payment terms and due date. Scroll down to the Payment Schedule section. Choose Automate Payment Processing. Select how often you want payments to be processed. You can opt for one-time, weekly, or monthly payments. Enter the necessary payment information. Review the total amount due for accuracy. Click on Send Invoice to notify your customer. Monitor your invoices through the dashboard. Check for updates on payment status. Adjust settings as needed for future invoices. Utilize Square's reporting features to track your income. Stay organized by setting reminders for follow-ups. This will ensure a smooth payment experience for both you and your clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.